This manual powder coating machine with 3 setted programs for coating flat, complicated, recoated parts. It is easy for operation. Use high-quality regulator for adjusting the air and powder accurately. The manual spray booth offers a quality solution for small batch production. It allows the spray cabinet and filter cartridge to move about easily. The filter cartridge can be replaced fast and easily in the process of changing colors. Most importantly, the product comes with a recovery system and a vibrating screen, enabling powder to be reused. Our spray booth, filter cartridge, and oven are all lightweight and very mobile. You can replace the filter cartridge conveniently when changing the paint color. The powder coating oven uses electrical for heating applications. It normally takes 15 minutes to complete the powder painting process. The automatic reciprocator allows for easy adjustment of frequencies. It is specially designed for high-quality powder coating applications. In addition, this product operates at 80 different speeds and different strokes. It possesses enhanced security with a password lock. The powder feed center is developed for excellent powder flow and extremely uniform powder output results. It can create an ideal work environment that helps to save on labor costs and also eliminates the powder supply problem resulting from a spray gun. The small-sized automatic powder coating booth is installed with 16-tube cyclone recovery system, which enables the powder recovery efficiency to reach more than 96%. Unlike other similar equipment, it can help customers to save a large volume of powder. In addition to this, our product is best known for its fast color change. It is acknowledged as one of the best recovery systems that uses the fastest color change system. Upon request, we can offer our customers the large-size automatic cyclone powder coating booth. The powder coating line, which has been used on fences, has been used by a customer in Russia. Our extensive knowledge in design, manufacturing, and installation allows us to have your new equipment installed and operable as soon as possible. We strongly recommend that you inquire about our professional design, manufacture, and installation services. The powder coating line for aluminum profiles has been in operation in Malaysia. With extensive knowledge in design, manufacturing, and installation, our professional staff can assemble your equipment and optimize its working order in the shortest time possible. We strongly recommend that you inquire about our professional design, manufacture, and installation services.